Welcome to Forensics Detectors. I am Dr. Koz, your gas meter gas detector, and look at this, friends. It's our carbon monoxide wall mount detector for boiler rooms, specifically for boiler rooms. Check it out, folks. You can see the instantaneous carbon monoxide being detected, and as you could see, 0 parts per million because we're in fresh air and it should be 0. Folks, this is our fixed wall gas monitor. You pop it on the wall, it's got the mount holes, and it continuously monitors the air quality related to carbon monoxide in your boiler room. It's very important for boiler rooms. Specifically, some states, such as Texas, require carbon monoxide detection in boiler rooms. And when one does detect carbon monoxide, when a unit does detect it, it should alarm at 50 parts per million, give an LED and buzzer alarm. And in addition, special functionality such as relays to turn off the valve solenoid or to turn on an exhaust may be required by your local state authority. So please check that, folks, and it changes year on year. New rule sets are coming out. So in other words, what I'm saying is this, or in Texas, for example, they require 50 parts per million alarming. When your monitor detects 50 parts per million, it should alarm and turn off your boiler. Now, that could change. For another state, it could be 100. For another state, it could be 80. Or your state could change from 50 to 75. The question then begs is, can the unit adjust the alarms? Can it be preset to a different level? And that's what you want to be asking, and of course ours can. We are very versatile. You can program this and change it to whatever you want it to do, okay, folks? And it has the alarms, the relays, so we can trigger the solenoid, turn off your boiler or any other appliance for safety purposes. So it's very functional. Now check it out, folks. Look, let's go through it. The sensor is there, okay? Gas molecules come in and it's detecting the carbon monoxide right over there, and you're displaying over here the digital display of the carbon monoxide concentration. Here we have the LED, under there we have the buzzer, okay? It's flat across there, so you pop it on the wall, okay, folks? 24 volt power. The power supply pops onto any 110 volt wall power and it delivers the 24 volts to the unit, okay? Very, very straight forward. Now, let's do a quick test because Dr. Koz loves to show and do quick demos, okay? So we have the unit here, we have our gas, we are well ventilated in this room, a bit of a spray, and I have the alarm set at 50 parts per million. When it hits 50, bang. Okay, let's turn off the gas. You can hear it. LED, the buzzer, and it tripped at 50 parts per million, okay? There are 2 levels of alarms. The low alarm, that's one relay, and you have a high alarm to trigger something else. High alarm triggers the second relay. You see that, folks? So there's 2 levels. Very versatile indeed, folks. Okay, so that's what I wanted to say. Oh, by the way, look, folks, another thing. It comes with your calibration certificate. USA NIST calibration here in Los Angeles with our own hands, folks. Yes, our own hands calibrate the unit, okay, friends? And also a nice, clean color user manual. So if you have any questions, you can follow that or come to our website or give us a call. We have a lot of different ways to get your information. And look, folks, I have this screen over here with the unit. You could purchase directly on our own website, and you have nice videos showing you step by step how to set it up and answering all the general questions, okay? And that's the way we do it here, folks. We love your questions. We love to have good open communication, and that's why Dr. Koz loves these videos. Look, till then, I hope you're safe in those boiler rooms. Be well. See you soon.